Grammar quiz. Adjectives. Identify the adjective or adjectives in the following sentences. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Ready? Zoe is feeling frightened at the moment. Is it A, Zoe, B, feeling, C, frightened, or D, moment? The correct answer is C, frightened. The frog was born with bright blue eyes. Is it A, was and with, B, bright and blue, C, blue and eyes, or D, frog and born? The correct answer is B, bright and blue. Caleb loves his new hoodie from his mum. Is it A, Caleb and mum, B, loves, C, his and his, or D, new? The correct answer is D, new. Joey has woken up with a mild temperature. Is it A, woken and up, B, up and with, C, mild, or D, temperature? The correct answer is C, mild. I found a rare antique vase in Maisie's cellar. Is it A, rare and antique, B, antique and vase, C, vase and cellar, or D, rare and Maisie's? The correct answer is A, rare and antique. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.